Hi, beautiful people. Welcome back once again to my channel, my kitchen. Welcome to Dacty for You's kitchen once again. I miss you all so much. And God bless you guys for always staying with me and being with me, even though I've been away for a while. So today I'm going to share with you guys how I make this beautiful, colorful, and delicious stew. Guys, you are going to love it. Your family, your kids will love it. And it's so nutritious. So let's get into this recipe, but I'll leave everything that I used in this recipe in the descriptive box below. Please do well to check it. So here I have my saucepan on fire. I just added in some oil to the saucepan and we are waiting for it to heat. Whilst it's heat, then we will just go in with our onion. So I just added in some cut onions. You can use any onion of your choice. You don't necessarily have to be red onions. You can use the white, the yellow, any onion of your choice. So I just added it in and then I gave it a stir for about a minute, and then I went in with my tolo beef. So here I just added in like a small amount of tolo beef. To which you can use salted fish if you have, but if you don't have any, you can still skip it. So here I just went in with my blended ginger, garlic, onions, and pepper, and then I fried it for about 2 minutes, and then I added in some tomato paste, about 2 tablespoons of tomato paste to it. Then I gave it a stir and let it be on fire for about 3 to 4 minutes. Here I went in with my chopped tomatoes, chopped fresh tomatoes, and then I covered it and let it be on fire for about 5 minutes. Guys, if you don't have the fresh chopped tomatoes, you can use the canned one, the diced tomatoes. So after 5 minutes, I went in with my boiled fish. Yes, guys, you can use mackerel fish. I'm using the fish, they call it paula, but unfortunately, I don't know the English name for that fish. You can use canned fish, fresh fish, and a fish of your choice. If you don't eat fish, you can skip it. So I just added in some stock cube to it at that time, and then after a minute I went in with my uh, green beans. I just added in my green beans. The reason why I did that is that I want the green beans to cook on its own, because I don't want to overcook the other vegetables, which doesn't take a long time to cook, but we all know green beans is a little bit hard. So I just put it in and then stir it and let it be on fire for about 2 3 minutes, and then I went in with my eggs. So now I added the egg to it. Guys, this stew is everything. It's packed with goodness. So I just covered the egg and lowered my heat and let it be on fire for about 2 3 minutes. And then I went ahead and then stirred it gently. I didn't want to break the egg so evenly in my stew. I wanted it crumbled, so you have to be gentle with how you do it. So after that, I went in with my carrot, my green pepper, and then red pepper. If you have the yellow pepper, you can still add it to it. And then I went ahead and added in like a little bit of the Maggi stock cube. I will do this because I want to season my vegetables and let it taste good on its own. That is what I do. And then I covered it, and then after 2 3 minutes I gave it a stir, and I quickly went ahead to add in my yellow squash. Yes, guys, yellow squash. If you haven't used yellow squash in your stew before, guys, it's so yummy. But if you don't have yellow squash where you are, you can use garden eggs for this recipe. So what I did is that I cooked the yellow squash in uh, fish uh, the fish sauce. Oh my god. Broth we do, right? So I cooked the yellow squash in the fish stock. The stock from the fish that I used in this recipe is where I cooked the yellow squash, because I wanted the yellow squash to taste good on its own. So guys, after we added the yellow squash, we just let it be on fire for about 4 5 minutes, then our food it's ready. Just look at this, guys, it's all yummy. So thank you guys so much for watching. God bless you, and until we meet again, it's a bye bye and stay out. So you have to stay out of trouble and enjoy this delicious food. I know your family will love it. Thank you, love you.